Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data and clearing obvious slowdowns. Backup critical files to an external drive or cloud, then verify the copy. This prevents panic. Once done, delete temporary files using disk cleanup and the %temp% folder. Enable storage sense for regular cleanup. Next, open Task Manager and pause startup apps, disabling everything non-essential so Windows boots lean. This reduces initial memory and CPU contention, and gives you a clean baseline for deeper fixes. Now you tackle the core causes: outdated drivers and corrupt system files. First, install all Windows updates and get the latest chipset and GPU drivers from manufacturer sites to fix performance regressions. Then, adjust virtual memory, set a custom page file about 1.5 times your RAM if you have specific needs, or leave system managed for simplicity. Also run anti-malware scans, then SFC/Scano and DISM to repair system corruption. These restore stable behavior and prevent mysterious slowdowns. Finish by tuning performance and validating hardware. Switch the power plan to high performance or balanced and disable unnecessary visual effects to reduce GPU/CPU load. This visibly improves responsiveness. Confirm storage type. Migrate Windows to an SSD if you're on an HDD, and schedule monthly defrag for HDDs. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to isolate software, run memory and SSD health tests, and consider system restore or a reset as a last resort. These steps pinpoint and resolve lingering causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.